Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Techland. How to export MOV in Final Cut Pro. So this is my project and it contains different clips from different movies. If I head over to the right side and then click, it says computer and on the below it says MP4, and I'll click format and change the video from computer to video and audio. Now on the below it says MOV. I have different video codec options and I'll click uncompressed, but the issue is it's almost 30 GB and my total file size should be around 500 to 600 megabytes. The main reason for it to be so big is the duration. Even if I choose Apple ProRes 444 HQ, it says 6 GB. So it is obviously a better uncompressed file size, but it's not the actual size, so we will choose H264 and see it says around 500 megabytes. I'll rename the file and simply wait for it. So this is my file and you can check it. So if I click get info, it says MOV. So this is how you can export MOV in Final Cut Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it.